So now let's say you want to add an element because you decided that your list needs more elements right now. So there are ways of doing it. So if you use this way, append, the append function, what it's going to do is going to add it at the end of the list. So add at the end of the list. So if we actually did this, we would have Robert, Chris, Scarlett, Mark, Jeremy, and after that they would be done. Okay, so remember, append inserts it at the very end of the list. But if you want to insert it in a very specific place, you can actually say the spot. Let's say Paul wants to be in the second place. Okay, so what's gonna do? Let me change colors. This guy is going to be in the second position. Remember, this would be element 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Paul is going to get in here in the middle. Okay, so right there you would get Paul, and the resulting of writing that last statement would be adding Robert, Chris, and Paul, Scarlett, Mark, Jeremy, and done. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Remember, append adds it at the very end. Insert, just inserts it in the place where you want.